Hello?
Hello?
Hi, I'm Eric.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Jake.
Oh God, I don't know who I am.
Still Mike.
You're
still
Mike.
Popping pussies into pies.
Popping pussies into pies, everybody up! Popping pussies into pies. Oh, she's gonna tower over him already. Oh! It just happened! Yes!
I don't like that you pointed that out.
There goes the movie. Yeah, you can't twerk to this. Volume 1.
That's a good Spotify playlist.
Dental records confirm it's Buzz.
Oh, his name would be Boz. God
Boz
damn it.
Lerman.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I know you're tall, but you don't have to be a fucking asshole.
Wait, is that why the guy's name is Q?
Call me Q.
What was the name of the guy who owned the pizza store in Spider-Man 2?
Mr. Aziz.
Thank you.
I'm the head of digital at 20 years old.
You think someone was getting a hand job during this?
How do I get a guy to notice me?
She hits her head on the wall.
Who is he?
Fiona Pembroke.
No one in fucking the UK has a deep voice.
Who's Big Dave? What are you talking about?
The kid who grew up or didn't grow up.
Dave.
Why would they call him Big Dave?
Because he got big, yeah.
Because she doesn't have to look like this. Can we agree?
You gotta let me catch this motherfucker.
Look at his eyes. Ready?
Tense.
Wow.
Oh, so it used to be all white, but he decided to keep one little bit.
Yeah, you're right.
Runner, yeah. Doctor Strange is gonna be like, I accidentally merged the pizza restaurants from alternate dimensions.
We forgot to buy you underwear. But my clothes are
They need to be killed. They need to be killed.
They don't make it to taller girl. Don't.
They had to keep doing that. Yeah, they had to do this scene like 50 times because Tim Burton was like smiling in the back. This is what it was.
Right.
The sound that made was hilarious.
That was insane.
I am Edith,
So
Tony Stark's augmented reality security and defense system.
I don't even know what to say. Oh no! She has a gun.
Why is this a thriller for you?
Hey, it's Dr. Fauci. Down your legs.
I would wet myself.
Also, has she done the makeover yet?
I think so. And it's
I don't know what to
pissing me off.
Waterboarding and his fingers, he's being fingerboarded.
Fingerboarded.
He's being fingerboarded. Ah!
I hope
Iron clog.
Yeah, our clock shows up.
Is this already the makeover?
Impossible.
Impossible.
If that ponytail...
I am Joanna. Do you think that they ever talk?
Got us some lattes.
Okay, well, why? I only need one.
Wow, what's happening here?
This is a vision.
No.
Ty?
Oh my God.
Yeah, so
No, he's got a thing.
we all went silent. That is the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life. Daddy's little dog. She's gonna like suck off Robert, or what was his name?
Trevor.
Hunter. Who the hell's Trevor?
Fuck, that's after. Peter, we're homecoming now.
Peter Pettigrew's got a lot of confidence for someone who looks like that.
What's the American finger trap? A butthole?
Yeah. It's a butthole.
Miss Partridge.
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 She's an old witch.
Locking on to Gavron.
You're not a tall girl. You're a girl.
A girl.
It take the
Oh,
I literally thought that was Cole Sprouse.
She's gonna
Oh, I
slap her.
thought she was gonna slap the shit out of her. It looks like the Invisible Man is manipulating her.
She did slap the shit out of her.
Oh.
If you do it right, you're not gonna have him saying like, "What's up, playa?" Imagine he shot Peter, and she showed up, and he was like, "Oh, it's supposed to be a stupid old witch. It's supposed to be an old bag."
How the fuck could you not call me first?
Oh wait!
Yeah, what a reveal. What a reveal. Double
Look at
fucking-
Chris Rock!
What are you doing? I'm peeping on my daughter. What? Why?
I want to see Cole Sprouse.
Yeah.
And then,
Right, I want to see
yeah, then it's
my
like,
daughter's birthday party. She caught up with him
And 3
like
leaps.
that.
3 leaps.
It's 3 bounds.
Do you guys do dicks?
Spider-Man home is gone.
New home is prison.
I'm gonna say it right now. This is The Shining for the MySpace generation.
Aw.
Tallminator.
Torminator.
Hey, thanks, man.
Torminator.
No.
Up high.
That picture is so unsettling.
So I had a lot of what do you call them? Halloween getters? Trick-or-treaters. Excuse me.
What? She's on stilts.
Yeah, she's on stilts.
The box of scraps. We've had it up to here with these freaks.
My pie.
This is where a gamer would rage.
My frame rate's dropping.
My frame rate is fucked. Honey, I'm playing.
You had your chance.
Now I'm playing.
Why do I look at Steve Gutenberg like he's my son?
You get punched?
Steve, get a good one in. Steve, smash through the fucking wall.
Smash.
You think this is Unreal Engine 5? What do you think this is rendered in?
Y'all do dicks.
Y'all. Shower porn.
But it's all Christmas themed. Christmas shower. Shower.
But first, sir, I think.
Shave.
I don't know where you came up with such a fairy story, lass.
As they used to call musicals.
Touch Jodie's hair.
She looks like a tiny princess in this big room. Did you see that shot?
You think him and Helena Bonham Carter were...
Stop saying that. Her name is Helena Bonham Carter.
Depp.
Dash Depp. Yeah!
But not.
Y'all do dicks? What?
Everything is 1.5 scale.
Or the suit jerks him off.
My favorite restaurant, Postmates.
I also didn't realize, and I thought that was supposed to be her skin underneath.
Oh my God. Right?
You know who would be her perfect pet? Come on, get this right.
Her perfect pet?
Her perfect pet.
Scooby-Doo. No.
Clifford the big red
Oh
dog.
my God.
To make her even talk. What's happening here?
That's what happens to Master Chief from Halo. Finish the fight.
And also.
And also myself.
Fucks you into the basement.
That was his best idea. Well, no, canonically, that was like his third idea.
Oh, she's literally gonna be a Honey, I Blew Up the Kid.
This
She's
is
gonna
like-
stomp on him.
Yes. This is like Super Mario. This is like getting the mushroom.
The mushroom. We call it a vehicle for the rest of her career.
Who's going to get a haircut at
The
night?
way I dream. Oh, who's watching? Oh. I hope somebody's doing her part because I only did his part and I couldn't hear anything. Was it silent in the room?
Yeah.
I wish when they moved them, it went like, I mean,
This is what Johnny Depp looked like marrying Amber.
Oh, damn.
Miss Pembroke, come with me if you want to live.
Get the
He had
fuck out of
one
here.
line, and it was that. Holy.
this can be your life.
I know it seems scary.
I would love to be in a Christmas snow globe in Mysterio's brain.
Is she gonna be above?
Boom. Boom.
She's gonna be above. Is this Phantom of the Opera?
Do you have to drink it?
Why was the web flick? Does he have to
Why
drink
is
it
it in like Resident Evil jars?
bottoms up?
This is actually the overflow seating area. Do you think that I'm the first person to cry?
Eric's literally wiping away his tears with a skeleton bone. A 30-year-old man is crying at the Tower of Terror movie.
Do you think she's taller in the sequel? Do you think she
Grew a little. Yeah, because what is it? Is this puberty?
No, what's going on?
They're 3D printing the suit.
Oh.
But it ran out of blue ink.
Uh-oh.
He's going to kill her for being a freak? He's a freak.
Hell yeah.
Fuck.
Shoot him.
So what is she, fucking 2 stories tall in the sequel?
Yes. She grows up.
Father, when I was in town, I heard this sound.
It went whoop, whoop.
What was that? What?
Do you think they could do a Sweeney Todd ride, like a Splash Mountain of sorts?
I was actually a splash.
Splash.
Blood.
Makes my hands sweat.
How many popcorns do you give it out of 10?
I give it a bag of soda.
Okay.
Has she just been improvising this whole scene?
Yeah. She never got a script.
Explain everything.
Dream blunt rotation.
Oh.
Who is it?
That's his daughter.
If he comes at me, I swear to God.
Because the weather up here, it's pretty great.
Why didn't you just say that? She's a freak in the streets.
A lady in the streets, but a freak in the streets.
Inside the mind of digital Tupac.
Did we need this movie as a society collectively? Absolutely not. It's wild that there's a part 2.
Up
The
at
ceiling.
the ceiling.
What if Jigsaw was crawling on the ceiling?
Gosh, they turn into glitter. I love that.
My name is Gwen Black Cat Steak. But you could just call me MJ.
You're wrong. You just said you missed 2. A taste of y'all medicine, Mr.
Turns out they're green aliens.
He'll call you.
There's the snow. Christmas movie.
That's right, you motherfucker. It's a Christmas movie.